Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating credentials and network access so the connection won't fail mid-step. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data, then SQL Server. Enter the server and database names, then pick Import or Direct Query depending on update needs. Import caches data for speed, Direct Query is live. Make sure authentication type matches your SQL setup, Windows, Basic, or OAuth, because mismatched auth is the most common blocker. Once connected, use the navigator to preview tables or paste a parameterized SQL query for precise results. You'll often need transform data to filter rows, rename columns, or change data types. Do this in Power Query to shape the dataset. Make sure to preserve query folding where possible. Pushing transformations back to SQL improves performance and reduces transfer. If you need calculated columns, prefer measures in the model to avoid inflating imported data. After loading, define relationships and data types in the model so visuals behave predictably. Create measures and hide unnecessary fields to keep the report responsive. Configure scheduled refresh in Power BI service with gateway settings for on-prem SQL. If something breaks, first recheck credentials and gateway connectivity, then review firewall and SQL timeout settings. Finally, test your SQL syntax in SQL Server Management Studio. If you still see errors, enable dialog.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.